Introducing the perfect partner who leads innovations in the semiconductor industry and evolves processes. Parker's products are used throughout the semiconductor process. In this video, we will look at products applied to gas supply systems and chemical supply systems. Specialty chemical delivery system generally consists of a chemical supply system and chemical valve box and slurry valve box, which are distribution devices. Parker provides a wide range of PFA and PTFE-based fluoropolymer products for distribution, monitoring, and switching of ultrapure chemicals, corrosive chemicals, and sub-100 PSI gases. Parker's PFA diaphragm valve offers superior leak integrity and exceptional corrosion resistance. It is ideal for use in ultra-high purity and aggressive fluid applications. Parker PTFE regulators tongue and groove seal isolates processed media from the atmosphere and protects the spring and adjusting screw. Let's look at the fitting part. PFA fitting is available in a variety of sizes and offers less surface particulates, resulting in cleaner operation. UHP PFA needle valves are fully functional from 100 PSI G and offers excellent leak integrity and corrosive resistance. Parker's PFA and PTFE and partake products in chemical delivery can be used in custom integration of components into custom assembly. Valve assemblies, manifold-style, weld assemblies, surface mounts, special customer components are available. KC provides an efficient solution that increases throughput, ensures media purity, and reduces high outage times in cost-sensitive production environments. As a technical expert in gas and liquid delivery systems and processes for wafer processing, we can help you profit from today's developments while preparing for tomorrow's challenges.